Alright guys, welcome to the newest unboxing that I'm going to do here, and big fan of Super Mario and big fan of Mario Go-Kart, and you just can't get enough of that stuff. And video games like that are not as common these days. You have a bunch of stuff that goes in 3D and so on and so forth, so yeah. Let's see what you get here. This is a really good deal, I think. I'm going to be able to tell you in a minute. Got it from Costco. It comes at $49.99, meaning 45 bucks. And you get 2 RC cars for that price. So if the cars end up being as good as I'm hoping they are, that is a really good deal. I'm not sure there are many other deals out there where you get 2 cars for 50 bucks. So let's see if we can get this out of the package. And again, this is a good thing about doing the unedited unboxings. You guys get to see exactly what happens should you buy this product. How hard it's going to be to unbox or how easy it is, and so on and so forth. So on the bottom there, you're going to get some instructions and something to keep it from getting humid on the inside. The cars are being held together by these things here that you'll see in a second. And I guess you turn them. Let's see, yeah, you just turn them. And as you turn them, it unlocks the vehicle. There you go. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and there you go. You have Super Mario, our buddy. And let's get Luigi out too, his brother. Not the easiest. You could hurt your fingers doing this. I should have had a screwdriver or something. But the cars look fantastic, guys. Suspensions. Okay, no suspensions in the rear, which is okay, I guess. I hope they'll drift-ish, kind of. They have very, they have very grippy tires, so maybe they'll still grip on the carpet. Watch out for these things; they seem to come out. And one of the cool things here is to see when it'll take a turn. Maybe it'll put some weight on this one, and it'll do that. Hopefully, these won't keep coming out. You see how that the hands came out in that already. One of the coolest features, in my opinion, is going to be the fact that these things have proper remotes. Yes, not those ridiculous pistol grip things that they keep trying to sell you. And so, forward and then side to side on button. Let's see. I don't like when they do that. I'm thinking it's going to be 2 AA's in there, but I'm not 100% sure. It should say somewhere here. And the only thing I haven't found so far is the charger. And it does say it comes with a charger, so it's going to be something to find out. The remotes feel okay, not too. And they're 24 or 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, that's what we have going on so far. Still haven't found that. They're hidden in here, okay? So the charger stuff is hidden in there. How to get it out? I don't know. Maybe you can just get it out like that. I don't know. Yeah, you can get the batteries out like that. Oh, look! It actually comes with batteries for, and they are AAA, not AA as I thought. I think this is for the car. This is for the remote, and so we'll see how that goes, guys. Let's put a bunch of stuff here so you guys can see everything, hopefully. And the charger is your typical USB charger there. It's pretty standard connectors. Alright, well that's all for this unboxing, and it went pretty long. But hopefully these things run as well as they look, and if they do, we'll keep them. If not, they'll go back to from whence they came, right? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.